Hey everybody, Jim King. I'm out here in Paola, Kansas. This is a historic home, over 100 years old, sitting on about 100 acres. It's a beautiful place. Trees outside are they're very mature trees, just beautiful, the property here. But inside this basement, we're going to go with our steel mesh. We're going to dry it out. We've got some water infiltration coming down where the floor butts the wall in that first block right there. But we'll come in with our steel mesh and our high strength mortar. Give these walls a beautiful coat of concrete. Seal all the cracks first. Then we're going to go inside the crawl space. We're going to level the bottom of the floor joist. And that will adjust everything upstairs that's not really working. Once the floor joists are level, we're pretty much finished. We'll dig some footings, pour 2x2 footings in there. That way when we raise the floor joists, they'll stay where we raise them. So another project, King Piers. We do these all the time. Go to my YouTube channel, go to my Facebook page. We're basically turning, I don't know, how would you put this? I wouldn't call this chicken crap, but chicken crap into chicken salad, I don't know. But it's beautiful. I love it. It's structurally sound and just a beautiful home. Be my dream home, basically. With 90 acres, what I could do with 90 acres. So how many acres is on here? 90? Huh? A little under? 98. 98 acres. So, God's country. King Piers, Paola, Kansas. Priority Foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. Don't forget my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.